This Phantom wallet holds $3.27 million, all from launching meme coins. No hype, no chasing pumps, just a repeatable system that works over and over. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how I pulled all of this off. I used to spend hours sniping meme coins, chasing charts, hoping for that one perfect entry, and losing over and over again. The game changed when I realized the real winners are not buying coins, they're actually launching them. Launching a meme coin means you're the one setting the rules, you control the supply, the timing, and the narrative. You're the dev behind the coin. By launching coins, you have completely nothing to lose, since you're the person who created the coin. And bro, if you're still trading meme coins, bro, or gooning, you are missing out, because launching meme coins is the new meta. And right now, Bitcoin is at the all-time high, and Solana is pumping, so it's the best time to start launching coins right now. So make sure to keep watching, because I will show you guys exactly step by step on how to create your first Solana meme coin, and then make a shit ton of money. But obviously this video does not constitute financial advice, and it's all for educational purposes only. Stop the cap! Now most people jump onto Pump.Fun to launch a coin because it looks easy. But trust me, it's insanely overcrowded. Hundreds of coins are flooding in every minute, burying yours before it even gets noticed. And worst of all, you're not in full control of your own liquidity. It's ridiculous. If you are up a couple $1,000s in profit, you can't even pull it out. That's exactly why I switched to create token.Io. It launches your coin directly on Radium, puts you in full charge, and graduates it instantly. So your token is live, tradable, and visible in the migrated section without wasting any time, bro. If you actually want to get buyers on your coins and print generational wealth and be the best dev out there, create tokens.io is the play. Now when you are ready to launch a meme coin on create tokens.io, you've got two clear options. First is to build a coin from scratch, custom made. So first of all, pick a narrative that's buzzing. Go on Twitter or TikTok or whatever the fuck and find something trending. Maybe it's a viral meme, a political moment, or a random trend blowing up online. It could be literally anything, like this koala right here, for example. Okay, anything. Then come back to the site, name your token, for example, set the symbol, and upload a clean meme coin logo. Click next, and in seconds, you are ready to move forward with your custom coin. But the second method, that's my favorite one and the most profitable, the copy trending coins tab. This pulls in proven winners from Pump.Fun that already have traffic, hype, and active buyers, and it's all on the list right here. With one click of a button, you relaunch the coin onto the Radium DEX, and because you're copying coins that already have attention, right, you get instant buyers and way more profit potential from the start. Both work, and trust me, bro, I've printed generational wealth off copying coins. It's the play. Anyways, I'm gonna stop explaining and talking. I'm actually gonna launch a coin right now and show you guys proof that this method actually works. So make sure you connect your Phantom wallet to the site first, then refresh list, and we're gonna copy a coin that looks decent. It could be literally anything. I'm gonna refresh again. I think I'm gonna copy the jellyfish coin. Why? It has a last buy 3 seconds ago, and it has a $60,000 market cap, which means it's extremely volatile and people like this narrative. So create coin, and ignore the request block from Phantom. It's completely normal, okay? Every single person is gonna get this warning. Just pass through it, proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. Then the coin should be created. You just have to be patient for a couple seconds, okay? Boom! And if I go on SoScan, you guys will see that it's live and it's all legit. But now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is super simple. We're just adding liquidity so people can buy your coin and sell it on Radium, okay? It's really that easy. Now there's two simple steps. For the amount token A, just put 90%. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool and you will own 10% as a dev. For the amount token B, this is your very first buy into your own coin. You are the first buyer, so you are not losing any money here. Just make sure you've got enough SOL in your Phantom wallet for that first buy. The minimum is 0.3 SOL and you'll get it back later when you remove the liquidity. I'll just put 0.4 SOL to be safe, then create pool, wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up, then simply click on confirm. When that's done, click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the Oswald/Jellyfish coin is now live. Our profits are currently at $0. But if you click on refresh once again to refresh the whole page, now we're up $170, which means people are actively buying our coin and it's really fucking volatile. Click on view on Photon to see the chart. Boom. Oh yeah, give it a bit of time for it to load. Boom. I'm gonna go and refresh. Now just give it a bit of time for it to go up. Now we are at a 1.5k market cap, 1k in liquidity, 6 transactions at the moment. Life looks good. $20. Oh shit, that's bad. $60 sell. I still believe it can go up because the narrative is good and it is on the Radium Dex. Just give it a bit of time for the volume to kick in. Boom, you see? Boom, we are getting buys. I told you guys we are back in business. Come on, let's go. Push up, let's go. Come on, bro, come on. Let's go. We're at a $2,000 market cap. This coin is looking fucking good. This is the power of create tokens.io, bro. Come on. Let's go. Yes, sir. $40 buy. $80 buy. Let's go. Straight inside my pocket. Now, guys, I'm gonna give this coin around 2 to 3 minutes. I'll be right back, but just enjoy the quick montage for a couple seconds. Be right back. Oh my fucking god, bro, we are up at $4,000 in market cap. This coin is actually insane. The coin is fucking ripping. I told you guys, create tokens.io is the play /Radium. Okay, now the coin looks like it retraced right here. Okay guys, the coin dipped, now it went up at $4,000. Now it's a perfect time to cash out our profits as devs. So come back to the site, which is createtokens.io, and then once again click on refresh. And boom, we're up $1.6 thousand with a $4,000 market cap. Now we have to be quick before it goes down. So click on the minus button, do 100% of the liquidity, then click this red button right here. And after that, and as you guys can see, we're going to receive around 8.3 SOL, which is not bad, right? Now click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you launch a coin, create it from scratch, and make a shit ton of money! Now, if I open my Phantom wallet for proof, because some of you guys don't believe me, boom! $1.6 thousand straight inside my wallet. It's all fucking legit. Look, it's all legit, bro. Let's go. Now, before you click off and go launch a coin, if you want to win 3 SOL like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe, and join my free Telegram group down below in the description or in the comments down below. And yeah, bro, peace out. Good luck.